Hey there and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be having a first look at the SmallRig Wave W1-C lavalier microphone. SmallRig Big Dream? Is that supposed to be a joke I'm not getting? Let's see what's in the box. We have the manual, a USB-C cable, and the charging case. Let's see what's in the charging case. Pop it open and you'll find the transmitter, the receiver, and the furry windscreen. Yeah, that's exactly how it's called. It kind of reminds me of that game, Funny Furries. I like the way the receiver bends and rotates 90 degrees. This small thing has a range of 100 meters, that's about 328 feet. The 4 blue LEDs on the charging case show the battery percentage. The microphone's battery should last for about 5 hours. But in combination with the charging case, you will have about 30 hours of recording time. On the back of the charging case, there is nothing else but the USB-C connector. Trying to see if the magnets inside the case are strong enough. It seems that they are. Good job, SmallRig. Glass phones are nice, and some of them develop a unique design with time. My first try of using the microphone while recording a video on the OnePlus failed. That's because not all camera recorders apps support an external microphone. Using Google's camera app solved this issue. It even has a small pop-up message that guides you into choosing the external microphone as a source. That was it for the first look of the SmallRig Wave W1-C microphone. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.